welcome to my channel. I'm going to cook tonight, bitter melon in Philippines, Ampalaya. Just the ingredients is the meat and the egg, and yes, just wait for me to prepare. I'm going to slice. Ha 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 ha. Okay guys, before cooking, let's me cheers to my friend. Hi mommy,
Hi,
kampai.
ate, mami da yo. Ate, mami da yo. Ate,
Hmm.
mami desu yo. Kanpai desu yo. Kiki-chan desu yo.
I'm going to slice now.
Kiki-chan desu yo.
Okay guys, I already prepared. I sliced the watermelon and the ampalaya. Here, the garlic and the onion with the egg, and this is the cooking oil. You know, this is the pork. I'm using this to with the water first to make it soften. Then when it become dry, you have to add the cooking oil. So this is the way how I do my pork soften. Okay, you have to wait until the water dry. This only in the salt, ajinomoto, yeah, and the shokosho, yes, with the pepper. You have to wait this. So now it's getting dry. We have to put the oil. Okay. So then the next you have to add the garlic and the onion. It's really simple. After the garlic and the onion, now just wait, make it brown, a little brown. Okay. Maybe this is okay. We can put our garlic. Okay. Just set it aside. And here's the garlic. Okay. You have to make it brown, a little brown first, so before. Yeah, your favorite Goya, Ampalaya, bitter melon. Yeah, I'm putting to my channel so you can have a bento tomorrow. Kaming tulog. Oh, it looks like an hotbed, but this is Ampalaya. Ampalaya is a bitter melon. Okay, you can add the Ampalaya, the bitter melon now. Yeah, I think it's okay. So here goes. Oh. Fire. Adobo yun ang ano. Oh my. So this is the bitter melon. Now you have to add some salt or a bit of seasoning Okay. What do you want? Putting some eggs or just like this? You can cook like this without egg, but if you want some egg, it's okay. So we put some salt. Put some salt, just a pinch of salt, you know. Okay. And we put some ajinomoto. In Philippines, we call it bitchin. Okay. And OMG. And chikosho, just a bit of salt and black pepper here in Japan. Gosh. Yeah. Maybe we have to add some bit of water. Bit of water. Yeah, I add already water, add a little bit more water, okay. So, it goes. So, I think I'm going to taste. It's okay. We have to slow our fire. Okay? Fire is slower now. Now we have to wait. Now we can add our egg. It's okay. So, we have to add our egg. Okay, here's the eggs. 2 eggs. Then shake it. Shake it. It's okay. Like it. Oh. Okay. Now this is done. And I hope you will like it. Thank you so much. This is Ampalaya. Bitter melon with egg. Bye. Thanks.
おいしい、いただきます。いただきます。
Oh, do?
おいしいぐるよ。